Hi, my name is Rishwanth Raja from grade 9D and from the school, Delhi Private School, Dubai. Um, Here you can see a Python project I have created for the International Python Olympiad. I'm 14 years old, so I'm from the category middle, which is 14 to 16. And my theme is password generator, and that's what I have got here in front of my screen. Now I'll password generator. This is a very key concern in our world today because cybersecurity and digital security really matters today. Many of our data, many of our important credential details and everything relies on security, and security comes with password or biometrics, and password is one of the main. And for password it should be strong passwords generated with different possibilities. That's what I have got here, a password generator. And I've used it's Python in the backend, and for my GUI interface for front end, I have used Tkinter library and its message box and all its sub libraries, and I have used string and random for generating the password. Now I'll show you a small demonstration of how the project works. This is a GUI environment. Of course, it can be moved. It can be moved anywhere. If I minimize it, it can be moved, and I can maximize it fully, and I can generate passwords, and I can scroll it. So I can scroll it down, and in the password settings, first is password slider. We can make how many number, how big is the password? Can be all the way up to 40 characters or all the way to only 8. But 8 means it will give a weaker password. Then include character types. Character types means if you want uppercase letters, you can tick the checkbox or not, or you can tick the numbers. These are what all character types you want in your password. And in the note, I have put lowercase AZ are always included. Means if you like untick all the checkboxes also, compulsorily, compulsorily there will be this thing, but it'll show weak. So I can put all of them and make a strong password enough to make it pretty strong. And here I have, we can copy the password and I also save the password. Copy password. We can copy the password, but if I type it here, new one, and if I copy paste it, the last thing which I copied is not the exact same password. The last thing I copied would have been copied because the copy doesn't work in Replit. Because in Replit, I have used Tkinter Clipboard, the inbuilt clipboard, and in Replit, if I use the copy password, it gets copied to the Replit server, not in my computer. So the copyboard mechanism doesn't work in Replit. So this save to file has been used. The save to file has two functions, or as a fallback for copy password if it doesn't work, and for some people who need, like, who generate a lot of passwords, they need to know the time when it was created, and they need to know the time. So we if we click save to file, it says which file it is saved on. We can close it. Close this also. If I click files, the very last file I have coded it, as you can see, newest first. Newest first. So the very first, last, like the latest ones are the last. So you can just click the last one. We can get the exact password which I created, and also the time which I created it. 12:33, and you can see 12:33. Yeah, it's close. So the time, exact timestamp, it will get the time will stamp, and also we can copy it if the copy board doesn't work directly from here. And I have made this exact same project in Ideally also to show the copyboard mechanism. Same thing, it works exactly like that. It's scrollable. It's it's scrollable, and it is generating passwords. We can copy, and I can open it. See, we get the exact same password which you copied. So the copyboard works, but because it's a Replit, it gets saved to its own server. And others are same as I told, the same one, and the password, only the latest three passwords will be deleted. So if I stop it and run it again, at the last three, if I go to files, the last three, one, two, three, one, two, and three, the last three only will get saved, and the others will get automatically deleted. So it's like it's to make not a mess, because if there's a lot of passwords, there'll be a big mess of files. So to prevent that, I have created that. That's all about my password generator app. Thank you for seeing my password generator app. I guess this demonstration was useful. And our real world, promote cybersecurity and make passwords more stronger and more safer. I tested this passwords various times, and I enjoyed building this. And I hope you all also enjoyed testing it and trying this password generator. Thank you.